Hi, and welcome back to the Avenue Fresh Kitchen. It's tahini time, and we're going to show you how to make this vibrant, delicious avocado tahini dip. It enhances any dish you include it in, and it's just so simple to make. Let's get started. To make this recipe, you'll need 1 avocado, 1 lime, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped mint, cilantro, and parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, cumin, 2 tablespoons honey, 1/4 cup tahini, 1/4 cup water to add at the end. Grab a mixing vessel and add your avocado. Then add your clove of diced garlic. Throw in your parsley, cilantro, and mint. All of these fresh herbs will really add a bright elevation of flavor to your dip. Next, the salt, cumin, the yummy honey, and lastly the tahini. Okay, now we'll roll out our lime to soften it up and give it a quick zest. Next, we'll slide in our favorite juicer and get all the citrusy juice out of this cute little lime. And in it goes. If you've watched my other videos, you know how much I love this hand mixer, linked below. It's perfect for this recipe as it really mixes up all of the ingredients and makes for a nice smooth dip. Add water a little bit at a time to get the consistency that you want for your dip. Okay, great. That's where I want it. Let's sneak a little taste. Yum. That's good. That's really, really good. And now, because I'm all about presentation, let's plate and garnish, just for fun. This little dip goes really well with a snack like pita chips, or you could add it to a dish and make it feel complete. I added it to my autumn harvest roasted vegetable dish. Watch the video by clicking on the card above or following the link below. This dip is best made and served on the same day, but it's so delicious, I doubt it will last that long. Make this dip and tell me what you think. I'd love to know how you made it and if you added anything to bring it to the next level. Leave a comment below. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you don't miss any of the other Avenue Fresh videos. Thanks for watching. Keep dipping and keep it fresh.